Good morning from the Thoughtful Gardener. I am moving some common milkweed today because it's in my path, which is not going to work. Common milkweed are very difficult to transplant. I'm going to show you one I did correctly and one I did incorrectly. So here's the one I did incorrectly. Let's go with the mistake first. I dug around it to figure out which way the root was running. The roots run sideways. That one's done correctly. But you can see I snapped this one off, so unfortunately I didn't do a good job. Now when you're transplanting it, you want to transplant it when it's small. Be careful to excavate it. These roots are very extensive, and I find that common is exceptionally difficult to transplant because of this. If you look and you see them going like this way, the likelihood is the root runs like this because it spreads by rhizomes or roots. So now, in my mind, I don't mind that it has an aggressive tendency. If you want monarchs, you're going to need milkweed, and common milkweed is native to this area, and according to the data, is one of the very most visited in terms of monarchs laying their eggs. Right, Cookie? Cookie says, yeah, exactly. So we want to transplant this one, and we're going to put it back in the bed where it belongs. So that's my tip for today, and I hope you guys are having a great day. From me and Cookie, garden thoughtfully, and take care.